right, guys, it's been a couple of weeks now and the beard is coming in nicely. Check that out. Now I'm going to give you the inspiration behind this beard. I've never actually grown a beard out. Now I've tinkered with the Don Johnson for the old folks like me who know the Don Johnson reference. I've tinkered with the 5 o'clock shadow, you know, the stipple beard, but I've never really grown it out. And the inspiration really has been a viewer that's been watching this channel for a while. His name is Mo, or the Egyptian dude. And he started watching the videos and he was like,
"You could have a great beard, bruh. You need to put on a beard. Bruh, where's the beard?
What is it with this dude and the beard?" And then he's telling me I need to shave my head. Now, I am not shaving my head, but I've let the beard grow out. And the Egyptian dude is the, whoa. Doing a video, babe. Then the Egyptian dude is the inspiration for this beard. And here's one thing I love about YouTube. I'm learning every day. When I do a video and I do something wrong, or there's another way to do it or a better way to do it, one of you will say,
"Do it this way, bruh."
So when I talked to the Egyptian dude and I told him, "All right, bro, maybe I'll grow the beard, but I always get to like 6 or 7 days in and I get the itchies. You know, the beard grows to a length where the hair just starts really bothering me. I can never get past that point." And he's like,
"Bro, you got to get yourself some beard oil."
So this is one of my favorite products right here, and it's very helpful if you guys are looking to grow a beard, is beard oil from CREMO. And basically you put it on, a couple of drops, 2 or 3 drops, you rub it into your mane here, and it just feels great. So before the shave, the guest shave today, I'm going to show you how to use this beard oil. So let's do that. Yeah, babe, I'm making a video.
Would you pass my pink bag?
Oh, I got you. Roommates. All right, so here we go. So let's put the beard oil on, guys. Let me show you how to do this. You can do this wet or dry. And this is a nice forest blend from CREMO. Link in the description box below. Comes with its own little dropper. 2, 3, 4 drops of beard oil. Wet or dry, a couple of times a day if you'd like, and you just massage that in to your whiskers like so, and it really helps, guys. It really gets you over that hump. It sets a nice foundation. I've been doing this along with other products from CREMO, beard and scruff softener, beard and scruff cream, and they all help to eliminate that itch. The next thing I'll do, now that the beard has started to take some shape, I'll use this CREMO Boar's Hair brush, and I'll just brush the product into the whiskers. And this right here is doing 2 things. As I said, it's brushing the product in a uniform manner through the whiskers. It's also taking that hair that can maybe curl up a little bit and sort of trying to straighten that out. It's like you would brush your hair, making it more and more manageable and beautiful. And I'm having a ball with this, guys. Again, 2 weeks in, feels good, it's looking good. This weekend, I'll do a cleanup down here and make it even more presentable. Now, what's really exciting is I've had some really cool guest shavers. I had my boy, Geeka Shaves, who was the leadoff man, who did a nice head shave and a beard shave with the new DSC blade. And he did a great job. I want to thank the Geeka Shaves. And Stan, the founder of Pacific Shaving Company, he stepped up in the number 2 hole and he did a nice shave with his Schick injector razor. But now, the inspiration for the beard, my man, Egyptian dude, is gonna give us a head shave and a neck cleanup. And without further ado, check out Mo.
My name is Mo. I am going to be guest starring in Tony's channel today because he's finally taking my advice and growing out his beard and taking this vacation from shaving. And we're going to be doing a nice, awesome little head shave and little beard cleanup. We're going to be using my double-edged razor right here. It's from the Lutz shop. It's a custom one-off. It uses the head of the Gillette Heritage, which is pretty awesome. I actually won this in the giveaway from Tony. Shout out to him. And then we're using a favorite on the channel, Gillette Foamy. First things first, remove your engagement ring. You don't want to damage that. Then, usually Tony would suggest that, you prep your head for shaving, but I have a pretty thick skin. Put this much right there. Then you just want to coat the head. Make sure the head is nice and there. Do it the ghetto Egyptian way. I don't use no brush yet. Tony, if you want to sponsor me and have me use this brush, feel free to send it. So, first things first, what you like to do is go with the grain when it comes to a head shave. So, you want to go like there. Go with the grain. Honestly, I'm very glad Tony's finally growing his beard. He has a good beard potential. Just gotta shave the head. How I'm doing. Why I'm going so hard on you, brother, is because I've been in your position before. The grass is green on the other side. I actually noticed how when you heat up the razor, I feel being more smooth on the skin. And for those of you who don't know, to remove the shadow, whether you're shaving your head or your face, you simply just shave in multiple directions, but it's only gonna last a couple hours, especially for me, because the hair tends to grow very quick. Go for your second press, and this time I'm gonna go against the grain. And like that. And remember, you're shaving, not digging. Whoop! This is the struggles of having roommates, guys. Yeah?
Are you still using the restroom?
Yeah, I'm shaving right now.
Can you give me my pink bag on the sink?
Yeah, I got you. Here you go.
Thanks.
Oh. Struggles of having roommates, guys. That's the thing with head shaving, though. You just gotta peel it out to get that baby bottom smooth head shave. That's it. Usually I don't do aftershave. I know I'm supposed to, but I don't got time. Then we're doing a nice little, cleanup, right? We're gonna clean up the face. As I usually, are you seeing Tony's videos? I go 2 fingers above the Adam's apple. Another tip from Geo Fatboy. So you start from the middle. I don't do it, but he usually should start in the middle so it's nice and even on both sides. See, Tony, I used to shave right on the jawline, but as you can see, I don't. See? 2 fingers above the Adam's apple. I always prefer having a beard. So I usually, when you notice it's a little bit different compared to Tony's, I shave these cheek areas because hair is too cool there. So, I'll be a little bit careful. You still gotta be careful though. And some people like to, you know, style this area. But I usually don't do it too much. Make sure there's no areas I need to clean up. Oh, there's a little problematic area here. Then we gotta end the video with my favorite CREMO beard oil. Helps coat the beard. All right. Shout out to Tony for helping me be on this channel. It's finally been a dream come true. And let me know in the comments below if Tony should shave the head and grow the beard and join the gang. Join the bald and beard gang, Tony. I think it's time. I think the average family wants you to join. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to The Average Guy and me. Channel link will be in the description below. Keep pushing play.
Now, I don't know if you got the joke, Mo, but we did a parody of your roommate interrupting your shave twice, the pink bag and everything. But I want to thank Mo for doing his head and neck shave. You're a good man, brah, and you've been a great inspiration. I'm going to keep growing the beard until I get bored with it. But Mo, I'm telling you, there is no way in hell I'm doing a head shave. So for you and the Geek of Shaves, you're taking the pressure off me. I'm going to keep as much hair as I can until I can't anymore. Guys, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. I want to thank Mo for doing the guest shave today. And I'll see you clowns next time with another guest shaver. And I want to thank my lovely lady for her help in the skit. I'll see you. Have a good day. We're going to go eat now. Right, babe?
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good.
No.